Good afternoon, everybody. It is. It's cold. It was supposed to be 83 degrees today. I think it's like barely 50. Apples. This is mighty good. Last night it was good, so today it's going to be even better. Hamburger, pasta sauce, noodles. I have a feeling I think I was supposed to have some cottage cheese with this, but I think I left it because I don't got it. I think maybe I was supposed to. I had some caramel chocolate squares. I'm telling you, man, I woke up hungry, ate my burrito, drank my coffee. During break, I drank my protein shake, had them two little chocolates. Hungry now. Well, that's a good thing. I had it all over my damn shirt and everything. I think I got a hoodie. This means I need to do less talking when we're eating. Nothing like a good, hot, hearty meal for a cold day, cold, rainy day. Well, everybody had his lunch. Like I said, I ate most of it. But yeah, it's a cold day. Make sure you guys find yourself a good book to read. Good book to read. Get a blanket, eat some hearty hot food that'll stick to your bones, and stay warm. Y'all have a nice day. Life's too short to be eating crap food.